Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here. Today you will need some rainbow pony beads. And I also have red. You're going to need a bag of key rings. And you're going to need some kind of clasp. You can use whatever you have. You'll need 2 of those. You're also going to need some scissors. And if you have any extra string from other projects, this would be a good time to use them. Use it up. If not, you can cut 4-inch pieces, 4 to 5-inch pieces for all your charms. We're going to take one of those strings and we're going to add 14 red beads. Okay, there's 14 beads on there. You're going to take your ends together and tie this. You can cut the excess off. There's our circle. So I'm going to show you how to make one of each shape, and then you'll pause the video and make the rest off camera. Now we're going to do the triangle. So we have the circle, a triangle, and a square. We're going to put 4 red beads. You're going to take your string and go back through this bead. We're going to add 4 red beads. You're going to go back through this bead. We're going to add 4 and go back through this bead here. Okay, now we can take our ends and tie them together. Go ahead and cut that off. And you can adjust these beads that are sticking out to make them straight. Now we need to make the square. We're going to add 4 red beads. And we're going to go back through this bead. It's the same technique as the triangle, we're just adding more beads. So we'll add 4. And then take your string and go back through this bead. We'll add 4. Go back through that bead. We'll add 4 red beads. go through this bead. And you might need to go back and tighten this. So any bead that's sticking out, you can pull to kind of tighten it. Okay, once you have that tightened, you can put these ends together and tie it. Okay, and then now you can adjust those beads. Okay, now you would stop the video to make one in each color, but I already have all mine made up. We're going to take one of our clasps and a key ring, and we're going to open up the key ring. And have it go through one of the red beads. Okay, so you'll separate to figure out what bead you're going to go through. You want to make sure there's an even amount on both sides. So you'll have 6. We're going to grab, you know what? I'm going to move those out of the way. It's kind of hard to see. So we're going through a red, and then we need to go through this orange. Same thing with the red. Oh, and you can wear this a few different ways. You can wear it on your pants as a chain, a belt, a necklace, whatever you want to use it for. Okay, that's what it looks like so far. Okay, now we have all our circles on. That's what that looks like. And we're starting back at red. I'm going to do the triangles next. I lost my blue one. Okay, here's what all the triangles look like on there. And of course you could adjust how long you want this to be too. This will be pretty long. Now we're starting with the squares. And I am going to use this one across. Yeah, because it looks like these squares want to be unruly. They're going to have a mind of their own. But if stretched out, they'll lay flat. Oh my goodness, I think I pulled out the exact amount of key rings that I need. I love when that happens. Alright, this is the last one. And I think what I'm going to do is clear my table and then lay this out so you guys can get a good look at it. So I'll be right back. Okay guys, this is what it looks like. All finished. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you next time.